Bye-bye lake.
Our day's objective: discussing the route. While the troop wait, Sanja and I negotiate a ride out the following day, and then we continue our searching descent.
I hate it.
This is called breaking trail. Oh, wow! We have arrived.
Woo!
A quiet morning after a busy night. 5 set off back up the canyon with their gear, and Sanja decides to run to the top, but most opt for a ride. The ride's objective: the van labored and smoked mightily.
Dobro?
Sanja and the rest of the gang arrived in stages as the party grew. The gang has decided to finish the trek a day early, so we're off with a vengeance.
And this is checkpoint 6. We're back.
Vamos, Highlander!